Uh, Good morning. I salute everyone watching this video. The aim of this video is to talk about the test called P24. P24 is a viral protein, glycoprotein, one of its core proteins in its nucleus. And HIV, when it starts infecting people, it attaches itself to white blood cells, especially the macrophages, and the macrophages have on the cell membranes receptors called CD4. Right, it attaches itself to this cell membrane receptors, and it started chaos once it entered into the cells, and it destroys all the white cells by using the same mechanism. The body reacts by releasing antibodies against the antigen P24. Of course, if there is P24, there is P26 and so on. And actually, not all the people have these receptors called CD4. There are people who have no these receptors, and these people are the ones which are not affected by the HIV virus. So that is how HIV kills the white cells, and you became immunocompromised. One day, some years back, when I was a medical practitioner, a patient came to my clinic, and his complaints were pointing to immunocompromisation. So I ordered the HIV test, writing HIV, then test. And I gave the paper to the patient and told him, go to the lab. And the patient happens to have some little medical knowledge. He read the paper and he saw the word HIV test. So the patient started collapsing. He thought that he was already being diagnosed of having HIV. So what's the point of going to the labs? So it became a problem, and we started to rant and resuscitate the patient, and the patient became conscious, and we took the patient, and we counseled the patient, and that was how the idea came up. I thought of, maybe this will not be the first time another patient will collapse. How can we avoid this to happen? And I thought the idea of how HIV kills the white cells, to use it as the hidden writing for requesting HIV. And I said, no, not this time. I will use the word P24 to indicate HIV test. And actually I used it. And after going to a lab technician, informing me, whenever you see in my lab request writing P24, I mean HIV test. And that is, he understood. And whenever I write the HIV, the P24, the results he gave me back means the HIV test, either positive or negative. And we start continuing using it. The whole country use it. I don't know whether it is being used in other countries. Of course, I was not the one creating, inventing, discovering the antigen P24. It was discovered some years back. I'm not the one discovering these antigens. That's true. I cannot just claim that. But the idea of hiding patients' privacy by creating the test request name was actually, and in my country it is now being widely used, and they never asked who first created this, and the test actually existed. It is used by scientists somewhere else whenever it is needed, but in medical way, the ideal way of requesting the test is to say HIV test, just mentioning the name HIV, but it became a problem, and things will become out of control in the modern era. Thank you.